Welcome to Tips and Tricks for the Unity I/O Assigner. In this video, I will provide some tips and tricks and also introduce the continuing source for more. I begin by answering the question, how does the Unity I/O Assigner help? While a Unity Pro user can manually perform all of the tasks that the Unity I/O Assigner does, using the Unity I/O Assigner basic and/or optional features will be more efficient and accurate than is humanly possible. So what are the basic and optional features? They are shown here. First tip. Here is what loading a Unity project does. Device DDTs are automatically renamed and appropriate comments are assigned. And know that Unity Pro creates device DDTs for all communication modules that participate in a Modicon Ethernet I/O network and all x80 drop I/O modules. And now, using this simple Quantum and x80 system, I will demonstrate this tip. Here is a tip within a tip. I created this x80 drop as drop 1, then changed it to drop 2. But note that the device DDT is still named drop 1. I export the project to ZEF. And launch the Unity I/O Assigner. Then load the project ZEF. Another tip within a tip. I/O modules using device DDTs are highlighted, and the mouse over tooltip for the module includes this information. Here are the current names of the device DDT variables. Now I will just write the ZEF, and I will use a new file name. Then reset and load the new ZEF file. And show how the device DDT's variables have been affected. So here is the before and after of a Unity I/O Assigner basic feature. The other basic feature is I/O module channel variable assignment, and this feature is demonstrated in all of the other Unity I/O Assigner videos, so I will not do that here. An important tip to provide is how the Unity I/O Assigner handles reuse. What is reuse? This is when a Unity project is run through the Unity I/O Assigner and then modified, which can include changes to the hardware configuration, data or variable modifications, and code changes, and then run through the Unity I/O Assigner again. The important aspect of this tip is to understand that the validity of the output resulting from reuse is dependent on which Unity I/O Assigner features have been executed. Was it basic use or basic use plus options? But wait, what is basic use? Basic use is when only the basic features are used. And if basic use is all that is executed, the Unity I/O Assigner can be reused as many times as needed with no worries. Any changes in Unity Pro to the hardware configuration affecting device DDTs will be updated, and I/O module channel variable assignments are always maintained. If the use is basic plus options, then reuse can require additional user actions to have the output of the Unity I/O Assigner remain valid. There are traps and warnings in the Unity I/O Assigner to identify these conditions and alert the user. Examples of these use cases are available at the continuing source for Unity I/O Assigner tips and tricks. This source is the UnityProExperts.us website, and navigation to this content is under Unity Pro Productivity Tools and then Unity IO Signer. I hope this is helpful. Have a great day.